Hi guys, if you are searching for free online courses with certificates, then Google is providing you more than 146 courses. Whether you are a school student or college student, you can pursue these courses which you can enroll and study anytime. And after completion of the course, you will get certificate. If you want to know more about this, then do watch this video from starting till end. Before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. First type Digital Unlock in the Google search bar. You can see the website will appear. Now click on the link to open the website. Learn digital.withgoogle.com. Free training certificate from Google Digital Unlocked. Here you can click on the online courses. More than 146 courses are available and more courses will be added up in near future. You can see the different categories: digital marketing, career growth, data and tech. So you can choose any category according to your taste and preferences. Then you can choose the length of the course: short duration course or long duration course, under 2 hours, 2 to 10 hours, 11 to 20 hours. Then there is the option to choose free certificate or paid courses. So when we click on the free certificate, you can see there is one course available, that is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. After successfully completing your course, you can get certificate. Then you can choose the difficulty level, whether you are a beginner or you are intermediate, or you want to choose a course which is of advanced level. Next, there are courses available from different universities or institutes, like you can pursue the course by Google or Coursera or FutureLearn, Google Cloud, Open Classes, University of Auckland, Udacity. Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Here you can learn the fundamentals of digital marketing, which will help you grow your business or career. If you don't know anything about digital marketing, you should pursue this course. I would advise you to enroll in this course, as it will be beneficial for you in future. Here you can click on the Start Course button. To start your course, you just have to log in with your email ID. Now let us discuss about this course. Here you can master the basics of digital marketing. This course is created by Google trainers who are professional and have trained many software engineers. So as you can see, there are total 26 modules. The course is around 40 hours and the course is suitable for beginners. This course is available for free. Anyone can enroll. Video tutorials are available. You have unlimited access and you can access it anytime according to your convenience and study anytime. After completion of the course, you will be certified. It can improve your CV. You can add the details of the course in your resume. After getting certificate, it shows that you have the understanding of the basic concept. You can add the qualification to your CV and easily upload it into your LinkedIn profile. Becoming certified shows that you have got genuine digital skills. So how does it works? First, you have to complete all the 26 modules. Here you will learn the new skills. Then you can test your knowledge with a quiz. After completing the course, you have to take the final exam. After passing the exam, you will get certificate. Then you can share your certificate. You can download the certificate and you can share your certificate online or LinkedIn, and you can write it in your resume or CV. These are the different modules which are included in the course. You can learn at your place on your computer, smartphone or tablet. You can track your progress, and after completion of the course, you can get certificate. I will share more videos of free courses available on the internet in my coming videos. I hope you like this video. Do give your valuable suggestions and write in the comment box on which topic you want us to make video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.